Hey, Street Trucks Instagram, Chad here at Gas Monkey Garage, and gonna give you a little tour of what we got going on over here. So, come on. We got a few projects going. Richard just got his 2020 Carbon Edition Ford GT. The guys over here getting it some protection put on it. One of the paint protection wraps. We got the Bullet Mustang we built next to Richard's convertible Mustang we did as well. We got Emilio over here working on the interior for the C10 project we got going. We got Jeremy's 454 SS. He's getting put together. Built nines, I think, in the front. Just trying to get it pieced together. And this is our C10 project we got going on. Full air ride, Willwood brakes, Fessler built interior. There's Tony and Keenan, and Jeremy's over there.
¿Cómo estás usted? Muy bien, gracias.
Getting the interior done. We got the GSI door handles, the Natafab mirrors, the Natafab underneath the hood. We've got self-made fab pieces. Holley intake, Holley valve covers. It's Crate LS3. Our Willwood brake setup. Motion Raceworks. Set us up with some stuff. Aeromotive. We got the Oracle headlights. Willwood brakes. Flush mount front glass. Flush mount small window back glass. Some built exhaust. Just a bunch of stuff. Kicker stereo inside of it. You got a Tony Cano that comes with the truck.
No, I do not. I'm expensive. Very expensive. So. Not really. 20 bucks is 20 bucks.
We got a few things over here that are just taking up space. You got a bed that belongs to Jeremy that'll eventually get done if he works on it. Little Volkswagen Beetle that belongs to one of the guys up front. A Jeep we're getting ready to clean up and get to sell. Just the paint booth out. We got a little Mustang 2 over there. Nothing too crazy. This is the side you normally see on the show, and then we have another side past the Haas machine through that door that I can show you all that has a few other goodies on it, little personal vehicles, stuff like that. We're waiting on vehicles to get back from Saudi Arabia. We have about 16 of them that went over. Got more goodies on this side. This is where we got, it's kind of where when he buys man caves and his personal stuff, this is where it all ends up coming. You got 30 model Fords, you got your flathead Ford wall, engines and transmissions that are hard to find, basically became art. You got more stuff over there. You got the limo van and the Sprinter van that he uses for driving around, we're filming, doing all that stuff. He'll sit inside that if it's hot days or picking up from the airport, stuff like that. And you've got one of Richard's Ferraris, a Rolls Royce, and then a 428 Spider in front of that. Got a 59 Corvette, 30 model Ford, 63 split window, a body in white Demon, another Rolls Royce. Got a Pantera and a GT 350 clone Mustang, and then you have our Riviera we had at SEMA. It's got the Magnuson supercharged LT1 or LT4 in it, around 1,000 horsepower, around 1,100 pounds of torque, full Chris Austin chassis work chassis, Budnick wheels, Recaro racing seats, full coilover suspension, independent rear suspension. Excuse me. Then you got Richard's Air Ride bicycle up underneath the TVs where we have our Golden Tee and our Silver Strike bowling. I don't remember what it was. We got some Roadster Shop chassis that are going to be for a couple projects that are coming out soon.
Okay.
Both of them are independent rear suspension. They're going to be really cool setups once they're done. We got our little Jaguar, little lowrider bicycle. This is the Monkey Trap. This is where we do all our meetings and conferences. You got your shop light chandelier. Which, oh, look at that. Switch it up. You got the bandit wall. You got the bandit hood. The hat will be back up there soon. He took it with him to Saudi. He just hadn't put it back up there yet. From Burt Reynolds that he wore in Smokey and the Bandit 2, if I remember correctly. And this is a